Welcome to the series of machine learning. In this tutorial, we are talking about the application of the machine learning and also install the Spyder Text Editor. Machine learning is used in the web search engine, photo tagging, spam detector, medical diagnostic, image processing, pattern recognitions. In web search engine, some companies like Google, Bing, etc. use machine learning for the optimizing the search ranking, query understanding, query classification, spelling, suggestion and correction. It is used for the Facebook photo recognition, photo tagging. In spam detector, the machine learning model are used to detect and filter out the spam and phishing email with an accuracy. Next, install the Spyder Text Editor. Open Google Chrome. Type download Anaconda. Get started and click on the install Anaconda in download and select your operating system and click download according to the operating system. After downloading, click Anaconda file click next. I agree. Click for all user, click next. But I already installed the Anaconda, so I skip this and after installing Anaconda, now click on the Anaconda file and you could find Spyder and take it on the desktop. I'm using Spyder because all libraries are already installed in the Spyder, so we do not have to install any libraries and packages. It will take some time to open. Terminal is open. In the next video, we are talking about the all the libraries of the machine learning.